One question I get a lot is what kind of plant can I use in an area that gets brutally hot and lots of direct sun? Well, right now on this little tiny porch that actually accesses one side of the studio I've got in the backyard, right now it's in lots of shade. It's beautiful right now, but later in the day it is going to just get brutally hot and lots of sun. And the plant that I rely on for that is generally something like sunshine ligustrum. I just recently did some meditative pruning and I limbed these up to expose the branches and the trunks, and I really like that look. And then I elevated them on these wrought iron stands that I got, I think at my garden center. They were about $11 or something like that. But once these start getting lots of sun this summer, they're going to turn even more golden than they already now. I like the fact that they're kind of open and they have, just kind of a romantic quality to them. I really like that, but more importantly, they're going to be the perfect plant for the perfect place because they'll be able to handle that really hot, bright exposure. So if you guys are looking for a candidate that can handle that kind of environment, then sunshine ligustrum is a good plant for that.